Hey guys, welcome back to JD Rides. So in today's video, I will be riding 442 kilometers in 4 hours and 56 minutes. So let's get right into it. So guys, I started my 442 kilometer ride journey back to Bangalore from Kodaikanal at 1:25 p.m. and I reached at approximately 6:20 p.m. which is around 4 hours and 55 minutes. I will be plugging in pictures of my speedometer before starting this trip and after when I reached home, and you can see it's around 440. Definitely wrong with maps. To check the actual distance, I need to go back. I need to go back in the video and check out, guys, actual distance is how much. As of now, I'm really low on battery on my GoPro also. Genius. "75 kilometers done, guys." No. Oh. Guys, 100 kilometers down. I'm starting to feel a little uncomfortable. Oh, this is so dangerous. The thing just like one of those barricades has fallen. Go back, guys. So my iPhone's display is broken and I got a cheap Chinese one as a replacement and it sucks. Throw this phone. So guys, it's been an hour and we've covered around 211 kilometers. So it means we're going at an average pace of 111. Hey! My GoPro is going to switch off any minute. It's been an hour and 8 minutes. Recording at 2.7K 60 FPS wide angle, so definitely battery is not going to last for long. I'll keep checking when the battery dies, guys. That time I will have to stop and change the battery. That will be the only stop I make. You guys can keep an eye on the Odo if you think I stop for too long. The time and the kilometers can be noticed from there. Guys, if you remember, this is the place we stopped for a bit on the other side, right side. battery left. We have done 277 to go. I think I'll change the battery now. So guys, as you can see, almost fell down. 277 kilometers to go, so still in the same place. Just changed the battery. I do not think the battery is going to last this whole test. 1 hour 15 minutes I've covered around 123 kilometers. It's so cold now, actually very cold for Tamil Nadu. In general it's cool, but for Tamil Nadu this is very cold. I think it's because it's about to rain, so it's got really cloudy. By the way, it's like 2:45 p.m. so it should be pretty sunny. Bangalore 260. No, not again. It keeps getting stuck here. Go back. My hands and my ass are starting to hurt slowly. We're actually 200 kilometers down. So it took me about 2 hours for 200. So I'm assuming by 5:30. Actually, you know what? There's not highway till my house, so I cannot count my average speed for even the city, especially Bangalore. So 6 o'clock max is my estimate, and Google Maps estimate was 9:09 p.m. There's actually a lot of traffic now, so it's taking me more time to cover distance. Like those other highways were really easy. Why can't people use the U-turns, man? Like where the things are open. This iPhone's really testing my patience, man. What the hell is all this? I thought that old man dropped it, but looks like some truck has dropped everything and people are just picking it up. Hey! What nonsense, man. That truck guy didn't tie it only properly. Stops in the highway because he loses some of his deliverable products, and then other people just freaking steal it, and other people just stop in the middle of the highway and watch them steal it. I think Selvi Mess, yeah, Selvi Mess is right here. I will not be stopping for lunch since I had a heavy breakfast. 225 done. Jeez, come on, go back. So eager to enter Karnataka. So many more kilometers. I'll be stopping in about 4 kilometers and taking a break, guys. I don't think I can do it. I do not want to push myself too far because I still have 160 kilometers to go, and I don't want any kind of problems while doing that last stretch, just because I pushed myself too hard now. Covered 240 kilometers without stopping. One stop we did take for a minute to change the GoPro battery, but apart from that we didn't take a break. We just made a stop. So I cannot say no brakes, but I cannot say no stop, but I can definitely say no brakes. And I will be soon clocking 10,000 kilometers on my Z900. So I'm waiting for that eagerly. It's 998. Even my phone's are very low on battery. I don't think it'll last. So let me take a break and charge that up too. Oh, 10,000 kilometers. Need to stop and take a picture. So tired. So guys, there's barely any petrol in my barely any battery in my. I've got so used to not having petrol that I accidentally said I barely have any petrol, but actually I barely have any battery in the GoPro. So I will not be stopping and charging again. It's getting late. I want to be home early. So Dindigul is 37, Bangalore is 173. I'm so glad I had that heavy meal. Okay, we'll have to tank up here. SR is there. So guys, I just tanked up. It's 4:10 now. We have about 150 kilometers to cover. Surprisingly, the GoPro is still recording. Guys, the GoPro died and I had put it for charge. It just now switched on. I am just 100 kilometers away from home. Time is 4:55. I've clocked 10,072 kilometers. As of this trip, I don't know. I have to check. We'll check now. 919 kilometers. Not bad. So sleepy. Actually, I have to add text. How many kilometers and how many minutes and all of that. In the end, everything will be accurate. For now, it won't be because I'm doing everything in my mind. And also, Google Maps keeps spazzing out. My feet are also killing me, along with my ass. Just 98 more kilometers and I'll be done. This last stretch is really killing me. Wow, so pretty. And we've reached Krishnagiri. So my house is around 85 kilometers from here. I've never used my horn so much ever, guys. Only when I reach Tamil Nadu. So I've clocked 101 kilometers, 102 kilometers since the last time I stopped, and guys, my ass really hurts. I think I'm gonna stop once before I reach home because my house is 69 kilometers away. I do not think I can do that in one stretch. Though I did 200 kilometers in the beginning, I got really tired. So now even 110 kilometers is kind of tiring me. Not kind of, it is quite a bit. How far is the Karnataka border? I really need to take a break. So guys, just reached. The time is 5:45. Got an average of 21.3. Anyway, now I'll be heading home, and the Kuda trip comes to an end, guys. Oh man, looks like it's gonna rain. 25 kilometers away. So guys, I paid a toll and took the expressway, just in hopes of saving time. This is the kind of traffic and roads that are there. Firstly, they're split to one side because other side is getting some work done, so one side is split into two. On top of that, we have so much traffic. I never thought I'd say this, but I actually missed Bangalore traffic. Cops are catching everyone. Like, you know, I didn't see a single cop catch anyone for helmet or any of that sort of things in Tamil Nadu. Cops are religiously catching people. That means we are in Karnataka.